In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Personally, I use Clipboard all the time when I'm multitasking, mostly because it saves time. If you want to do the same on your Samsung, you need to access your keyboard and then copying or cutting any text. To paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, you need to use Clipboard. To do that, tap on Clipboard icon at the top of your keyboard and tap on your text to paste it. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, hold your text and use bin icon next to the pin one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Last but not least, to delete anything while using Clipboard without switching to standard keyboard, use this button at the bottom right corner. To go back to standard keyboard though, use this one at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!